Hi, my name is Kawika Mitchell from Competitor Gym, and today we're going to talk to you about kettlebells, specifically kettlebell swings. The kettlebell is a piece of equipment that is fairly common. It has a great variety of exercises that you can do with it. Like I said, today we're going to talk to you about the kettlebell swing. The kettlebell swing is a great full body exercise that concentrates on your core, your back, your hips, your glutes, hamstrings and quads. It's great for burning calories. To begin exercise, you want to be feet slightly outside of your hips, toes slightly pointed out. Arms are going to be stiff, gripping the kettlebell between your legs. You want to start in a squat position, shifting your weight back to your heels, and then extending your lower body, bringing the kettlebell up and away. Now when you're coming back down, she's absorbing the kettlebell with her entire body, ending in a squat position. This is a basic movement. If the way to adjust it is to lower the weight, the advanced movement would do a full kettlebell swing, which is going above the head.